Hi, welcome back to another episode of Barbecue Life UK. My name's Tom and today we're cooking dirty pigeon breast down on the coals. So today we've got some nice simple just pigeon breast and we're just going to lay that directly on the coals, no grate, straight on the coals, what people call dirty style cooking or caveman style cooking. Like half a chimney of lumpwood charcoal. So while the coals are heating up, we're just going to make up our vinaigrette. It consists of wild garlic leaves, chilli and red wine vinegar. So these wild garlic leaves have been frozen, but they still taste just as nice. They just take on the same consistency as what spinach does after that's been frozen. Just going to get that in the pestle and mortar and really wind that down. Next we're going to add in half a chilli, get that in, just mix that in with it as well. Now it's time to add our red wine vinegar. So we go about a tablespoon. And mix through, and then we're just going to let that sit and infuse while we cook our pigeon. So we're going to serve this in a flatbread today. I'm just doing my simple flatbread recipe. This is to make two flatbreads. Consists of one heaped tablespoon of plain flour with a pinch of bicarbonate soda, and then a teaspoon of water, which just mix through. Teaspoon of Greek yogurt, full fat. Mix that in again. It starts to come together as a bit of a dough. Then you want some extra plain flour just for dusting, and you might need to add a little bit in as you go. Once it comes together and stops sticking to the spoon, you get in with your fingers. In the middle it is still going to be a little bit sticky. You just want to split it into two. Put some flour down. Take our rolling pin and just roll it out gently. Flour every time you flip. It will stick. These haven't got to be round, just keep going until they're only a couple of mil thick. Directly on. We're going to go about 2.5 minutes each side, and then I'm going to probe it with my Inkbird instant thermometer, and then we can go from there, see how much longer we want to cook for. Give it a turn. Over 70, so we need to get these off. I'm just going to let them rest. We need to get them right on so that we can get our flatbread cooked. Put the flatbed on directly over the top of the coals for direct cook. It should take a couple of minutes. So our flatbread's just starting to bubble up, so just give it a flip. both sides. Just remove that. Vinaigrette on. By adding the vinegar to the garlic, it will soften the garlic taste down. We tried these raw, me and my mate at work, when he first got them for me, and they blew your head off. But by adding the vinegar in, it really tones that down. So let's give this a taste. So I'm reasonably happy with how this cook went. As I say, I would have preferred to have that pigeon cooked just slightly less, a couple of degrees lower. Once I flipped it, the temperature went through the roof really quickly. Let's give it a taste. It's beautiful. Pigeon works really well with garlic and onions and things like that. Also takes on heat really well. So I added in the chilli, and it works really well with the vinegar, which is why I've done it as a vinaigrette rather than a pesto or anything else. Also works really well with like a sweet chilli sauce, things like that if you've never had it before. This is really nice. Really nice. The charcoal taste has gone into the meat and added really, I don't know how to explain it, an intense smokiness without the smoke in the meat. Flavours it really well. It works just the same as a dirty steak if you've ever had that. And if you haven't had that, I suggest you give that a try as well. It's really nice. If you like what we're doing here at Barbecue Life UK, then please do consider subscribing to the channel. Make sure you hit that like. Let me know what you think about the video. If you think there's anything that I can change, do any different here at Barbecue Life UK, let me know. At the end of the day, I'm putting these videos out for you all to watch. Thank you very much for watching.